Welcome again to this session of embedded system design. Just to recap, in the last video what we learned about the hardware requirement of the Arduino. It is the Arduino board. It's a USB cable and adapter. These are the three main hardware required for the programming of the Arduino board. And we have also learned about the software requirement, that is IDE software. We have learned how to download, install, and also we have learned how to interconnect the Arduino board and set up for the programming. So what next? In this video session we'll learn more about the programming part, and we'll learn step by step program. And for learning the program you only need interest. No prior knowledge of any language is required to start the programming. So before we start programming and loading the program to the Arduino board, let us understand what we need before that, so that we are able to do the programming in a proper way without any error. So we need to know the platform used for the Arduino programming, that is IDE, language which is C++, and program structure is a very important part. So if we understand the program structure properly, we can write program without error. And then we have to understand the program functions, variable and controls. And then we'll go for the sample coding of the program. We'll do the compilation, and then this will be complete thing learning about the programming part of the Arduino. So we'll start one by one. So this is basically Arduino platform, which is called the IDE. So all the programs will be written in this platform, and this is the very easy platform, and you can understand easily how to write the programs. So you can see the Arduino icon. By double clicking the IDE icon, this platform will be launched. The next thing is the Arduino program structure. It's very important thing. Arduino program has got three basic sections. At the top is called the header section, where you will write all the libraries, include all the libraries and header files. The second section is the setup section, where you will write all the variables and pins and initialize these pins in this section. The third thing is called the loop section. Here main program will be written, and which gets executed again and again till any break is applied through the program. Otherwise it will keep on executing again and again. So these are the some functions and variables which are used for programming the Arduino. So these things we will learn more when we go to the practical programs. The programs are called Sketch. So double click the IDE and launch the programs. And when we launch the program, you will see the files like this structure. So on the top you can locate the file menu. Here you just go to the file, and in the drop down menu you select new, and you will find a blank screen, something like this. So this is the basically template for writing the Arduino programs. So you can write the program here, and then after your program has been written, you save this file. This is the INO file to your working directory, so that same can be compiled subsequently. Now we'll go for the compiling section. So for compiling, again you have to go to the tool sections, and in tool you come to the board, and in the board select Arduino Uno. So this is basically you have configured the board type as a Uno board. Then after selecting the board, you go back to the sketch, and then select the verify compile. So it will start the compiling the program, and you can see the message down here like this. Here it is showing compiling sketch. So means it is compiling the program. Once the program is compiled, you will see the message done compiling. So once you see the message done compiling, means your program is completed and is compiled. So now we have come to the end of this video session. Here we have learned how to program Arduino And in upcoming videos we'll learn more about how to program and load the program to the Arduino board, and see the actions what it is showing. So keep watching this space, and also subscribe and like the videos.